The 2024 Lotus Emira GT4 is a race car based on the Lotus Emira road car. It is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 400 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a 6-speed sequential transmission. The Emira GT4 has a number of modifications to make it suitable for racing. These include a lightweight composite body, a racing suspension, and a roll cage. The car also has a number of aerodynamic features, such as a front splitter, rear wing, and diffuser. The Emira GT4 is a homologated race car, meaning that it is eligible to compete in a variety of racing series around the world. It is designed to be a competitive car in both sprint and endurance racing. Here are some of the key specifications of the 2024 Lotus Emira GT4 engine: 3.5-liter V6, horsepower, 400, torque, 310 pound-feet, transmission, 6-speed sequential, body, composite, suspension, racing, roll cage, yes, aerodynamics, front splitter, rear wing, diffuser, homologated, yes. The 2024 Lotus Emira GT4 is a powerful and capable race car that is sure to be a competitive contender in a variety of racing series. Here are some additional details about the Emira GT4. The car weighs just 1,300 kilograms, 2,866 pounds. The suspension is adjustable for both compression and rebound. The brakes are Brembo 4-piston calipers with 380mm discs. The tires are Pirelli slicks. The Emira GT4 is priced at £150,000 in the United Kingdom. It is available for order now.